Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 17 of 20 final week. I'm Louis.
And I'm Claire. Today is a milestone for the first time, not one sentence but two, a complete breaking news story, exactly as it would run on French radio.
3 days to graduation. Let's go. Today's story, real news speed.
Un tremblement de terre a frappé la région dans la nuit. Beaucoup de gens ont perdu leur maison. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Un tremblement de terre a frappé la région dans la nuit. Beaucoup de gens ont perdu leur maison.
The headline phrase first, and it carries today's quirk. Claire.
Un tremblement de terre. Take it apart. A trembling of earth. No special disaster word. French takes two plain words you could learn at a bus stop and builds the drama itself.
An earth trembling. English went shopping in Greek and Latin for its disasters. French just describes what happens. Your turn, it's long, but it's only two ideas. Repeat after Claire.
Un tremblement de terre. Un tremblement de terre. And what did it do? It struck. Listen for yesterday's pattern, the little avoir word, then a past form ending in that clean A sound. A frappé.
To strike, to hit. Yesterday the president declared, today the earthquake struck. Same machine, new verb. Your turn.
A frappé. And when? In the night. Dans la nuit. Dans la nuit.
Now stop and listen, because in sentence 2 the past tense does something new. Sentence 1 has one earthquake. Claire, just its verb.
A frappé.
But sentence 2 is about many people. Listen to what happens to the little avoir word in front.
Ont perdu. One thing acts, you hear one sound. A crowd acts, you hear the other. That's the entire plural past. Swap the avoir word, keep the past form, side by side. Il a frappé. Ils ont perdu.
And here's a small joy. Remember week 1, the silent plural, where the article did all the work? Not this time. This plural is loud and proud. You hear the crowd in the verb itself.
Say the plural chunk have lost. Repeat after me. Ont perdu. Ont perdu.
Sentence 2, from the top, the human cost, many people. Claire.
Beaucoup de gens.
You know the people word from Money Day? This just adds a lot of in front. Your turn.
Beaucoup de gens. And they lost their house. Two sharp ears will catch two things here. First, this past form ends in a U sound, not A. The to strike family gives A. The to lose family gives U. Both families are on today's sheet.
And you already own this verb. It's from Sport Day, when the team loses the match. Same verb, back page and front page.
Second thing, their house is singular. Each family lost one home, so French counts one per person. Delightfully logical, slightly mad, the full chunk, repeat after me. Ont perdu leur maison. Ont perdu leur maison.
The full story. Claire slowly.
Un tremblement de terre a frappé la région dans la nuit. Beaucoup de gens ont perdu leur maison.
An earthquake hit the region in the night. Many people have lost their homes. Real speed.
Un tremblement de terre a frappé la région dans la nuit. Beaucoup de gens ont perdu leur maison. Your turn, just the first sentence, out loud. Repeat after me. Un tremblement de terre a frappé la région dans la nuit. Très bien.
Take a second to notice what just happened. You followed a complete breaking news story. 2 sentences, the past tense in singular and plural. That was unimaginable 17 days ago. Day 17. The earth trembling, the plural past, and your first 2-sentence story. The sheet at linguawire.com/day1 has the full disaster kit and both families of past forms, plus the 10-minute interactive homework.
And the A versus U endings need your eyes as much as your ears. The sheet lines them up side by side. 3 days from now, you'll be doing this with the actual daily news. Demain, l'entreprise va construire une nouvelle usine.
Tomorrow, the company is going to build a new factory. The future arrives, and I promise it's easier than English. See you then.
À demain,